Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Today, what I'm presenting is a business opportunity that I'm a part of. Through David Allen Capital, I am an independent certified funding broker with David Allen Capital. And this is my information page to explain the business. And if you are someone who is looking for an opportunity to earn some income in your spare time, this may be a possibility for you. So become a business funding broker. And then how do you get to this site? Go to Earn with Don. So that's Earn, EARN, with WITH, and Don's DON.com. So that's my page, earnwithdon.com. It will bring you to this website here, and it'll give you some information about the business opportunity. So become a business funding broker. What is a business funding broker? There are millions of businesses in the United States and Canada who at some point in time, they may need some additional money to grow their business, maybe take care of some payroll, pay for another building, whatever it could be for that business owner to expand their business. They may go to their banks. The banks may have a certain criteria that business who is asking for money, a small business loan, they may be required to have a certain type of credit score. They may need to give up some collateral. Whatever the criteria the banks may have, a lot of businesses are not able to get that loan. So we're an alternative to the banks. So our criteria for the business owners is they must be located in the United States or Canada. They are in business for at least 4 months or greater. The business owner's personal credit score has to be 500 or more, and they may be qualified based off of the business revenue within the past 3 months. Our funding is based off of the past 3 months of their business revenue, and they can get up to in between 1% to 2% of their business revenue of the past 3 months. And the way the underwriters are looking at their business revenue for the past 3 months, you have month one, month two, and month three. So just for example, say in month one, that business owned or earned $20,000. The second month, they may have earned $15,000. Then the third month, they may have earned $40,000, or it could be a lot more than what I am saying. But just for educational purpose only, I'm giving you those numbers just to give you an idea of what the business funding brokers underwriters are looking at. So what we do is, as a business funding broker, is to introduce our website, and you'll get one of the websites that I will introduce you to shortly here. But anyway, getting back to the facts at hand. So our job is just to promote our websites, introduce it to business owners. At some point in time, they may have a need for some extra funds, additional funds to grow their business for whatever matter they need it for. I'm going to scroll down. So as a business funding broker, every time someone go to your website, your replicated website, you will be paid. Now, how much you will be paid, it depends on the funding price. You know so we get paid on what's called bonus revenue. So that's one of the information. If you decide to join, you're going to go through a certification course. Through this certification course, you're going to get all the details and information in regards of our business funding platform. But we're going to get back into the business. So the number one business funding platform, free for DAC brokers. This is a $30,000 platform license, yours for free. Business owners need capital, and our platform provides them with the best funding options in minutes. One application, multiple funding offers. We connect businesses to 20 plus top funding providers without them having to apply at each one separately. The best approval offers and funding in one business day. No collateral required. 80% approval rate. $500 best offer guarantee. If a client finds a better funding offer elsewhere, Bank Breezy gives them $500. Exclusive access. This platform costs loan brokers and organizations $2,500 per month, $30,000 per year, but you get it for free as a DAC broker. You simply refer qualified businesses. We do all the work. You earn commissions. Earn as soon as tomorrow. Full-time income is possible immediately. And there's a join now for free button. Excellent opportunity. And here's some information on how you get paid. So it goes through the process of giving you an idea. The numbers that you see on the screen is just for educational purposes only. But once you are joining, you're going to get a welcome email. That welcome email is going to have some links and your personal websites that all members of DAC or all funding brokers will get the replicated website all for free. There's never a time that you got to pay for anything. We have weekly meetings via Zoom. And then also DAC has training on Spotify and also YouTube. I'm going to give you a sample of one of the websites you're going to have, and this is my replicated website. So you're going to get a website exactly like mine. Just going on to the Business Funny website here. Here we are. So that's our CEO, David Rutz. Give you some information. Your Business Funny website. Super fast process, a 5-minute application with funding as fast as the same day. Complete your applications, get the best offers, accept and receive funds. Going to another part of the replicated website that you'll see. I apologize for that pop-up. So this is for more of our gig workers. Your gig workers are your Uber Eats professionals, your Uber drivers, your Lyft drivers, anyone that can earn money from an app. They can get qualified up to $20,000 in a day. Even your entrepreneurs can apply as well. It gives you some items of how the gig worker funding works as well. So, they will apply. They're approved within seconds, and then they're funded the same day, of course. And then we also have some criteria the gig worker must have to be qualified. Simple requirements: they must have earned $3,000 monthly bank revenue. So that's 3+ months in business, right? Been driving for Uber or Lyft or whatever gig you're doing at least for 3 months. You have earned at least minimum $3,000 per month to be qualified. Simple process: answer a few questions, link your bank account, and then once you receive an offer, you approve the terms, accept the funding, and you will receive the funds. Your clients will receive the funds, of course. Transparent, no collateral required. So this is the business opportunity that you're going to have access to. We also have what's called payment processing for those businesses that are accepting debit cards and credit cards as a method of payments to accept out alternately from cash. What I mean by that, you go to a restaurant, you can either pay cash or you can either pay in debit or credit cards. So what our system can provide those restaurants, say if they're shopping for better equipment, better fees for their card readers, because when they're using their debit card readers, that machine that you're swiping your debit card on, there's a fee for those services. And our company will provide a restaurant, a store, whatever entity accepts a debit and credit card, we can provide them with their same service, but at a lesser price. Uh, think about it as you're going from one phone carrier to a different phone carrier because you like what you see as far as their service, where they can get service from. So say you went from this phone company, but you're going to change it to this because you think they have a better service and you're going to be paying a lesser price. Similar to what we can do for business owners for payment processing. And this is going to be your payment processing page, all included on your replicated website. We also have a savings calculator so you can show business owners, or they'll see this on your website, of the savings that we can offer them switching over to our payment processing systems. And we do offer a guarantee. So say if they are not satisfied with what they have with us, we will be able to allow them to switch back to their other carriers. So I want to thank you for tuning in to my presentation of the business opportunity of becoming an independent funding broker with David Allen Capital. That's a certified funding broker. You're going to go through a certification course, and that's going to be at self-paced. Take your time, complete the certification course. Once I see that you have joined, I'll give you a personal phone call, and we'll create what's called a game plan to make sure you're successful becoming a certified funding broker with David Allen Capital. I want to thank you for tuning in to my channel, Billionaires Club 101. Have an excellent day.